Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Della. Today, we will be making a boneless lamb. So, you just want to make sure it's clean and vinegar, tied up with some butcher tie, or you could buy it like this from your butcher. So, all the thing you have to do, I want to start putting some holes in it, and I want to put some of the garlic inside. Cut the garlic up in pieces and make sure you start putting it in the inside. Make little holes. The garlic gonna give it a nice taste. And turn on the other side and do the same thing. We're going to season our lamb with some garlic herb, some thyme, a little tiny bit of clove, some kosher Himalayan salt, some pepper, sazon, no MSG, some garlic powder, onion powder, some all-purpose season, and some rosemary that I had dried out, some fresh rosemary. You just dried in the oven. So we're going to break that up. And we're just going to season it all over. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, that is good. We're just going to season it all over. Give it a good rub. We're going to pour olive oil. Pour your olive oil inside on both sides because we want to roast it. Now we're going to prepare our vegetables to go inside with the roast. You want to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. We're going to use the carrot and the red potatoes. So you just want to start peeling it like this. Peel each one. and just cut each one up. Cut your potatoes in half, whichever way you want your potatoes. In nice big portions. The smaller ones, cut them in half. The bigger ones, cut them in thirds. We're going to put these in roast. Place your lamb inside of a nice pot to roast it in. Then you're going to line the potatoes and carrots around it. Then we're going to add some of the blend vegetables up there. And rub it all in. We're going to put the lid on it, put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. After half an hour, you take the lid off because it done steamed up, and you put it back in the oven on 350. You see it made a little juice. Now you want to roast it uncovered and let it bake some more. Roast your lamb to the level of doneness that you like. After 15 minutes, you just want to flip it over. Let it bake on that fat side. Cook that fat down some for about another 15 minutes. Now the roast is done, and now we about to plate it and cut it up. Now that just looked beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it, and I thank you in advance. You see the garlic? Nice and juicy.